Well, good afternoon and welcome back. I'm Clarissa, your dietitian at Lower Lights Christian Health Center and the Jubilee Market and Cafe. Today we're going to talk about smoothies. Smoothies can be a great way to get in fruits and vegetables, and they make for good meals on the go as well. However, since it can be easy to throw lots of things in a blender, our smoothies can often become very high in calories and very high in sugar without us realizing. So here are some ideas for how to keep your smoothies light and refreshing. First off, you don't need to add any sweeteners. Honey, maple syrup, agave, sugar, and any other sweetener you may use is just not necessary in a fruit smoothie. There is already a lot of sweetness in the fruits, so adding more sweetener can be excessive. So this is adding more calories and can cause your blood sugar to go up as well if you're someone dealing with diabetes. So whether you're using fresh or frozen fruit, you can rely on the naturally present sugars in fruit to satisfy your sweet craving. When picking a liquid as your smoothie base, choose water, low-fat milk, or an unsweetened plant-based milk alternative. Things like orange juice and apple juice will again be adding more calories and sugar without adding any protein. So choosing a low-fat milk is going to add some calories, but it's also going to be adding that protein to your smoothie, which balances out the carbohydrate coming in from the fruit. Another great addition to your smoothie is leafy greens. So spinach and kale work great in smoothies, and they are very few calories nor carbohydrates, but they are going to add fiber, vitamins, and minerals. And I promise you won't even taste them. Some additional add-ins that can really power up the fiber content of your smoothies are chia seeds, hemp seeds, or flax meal. Adding a tablespoon of any of these will add fiber, heart-healthy fats, and some protein. Another great fiber add-in is oats. They'll keep you feeling full after your smoothie and also help keeping your gut working smoothly. Other high protein and healthy fat add-ins are nut butters. 1 tablespoon of almond or peanut butter can be tasty in some recipes. However, peanut butter can add up in calories very quickly. So if you want to keep the protein and the flavor of peanut butter, but you're trying to watch those calories, peanut butter powder is a great substitute. You'll get the flavor and protein from the peanuts, but you'll definitely save on those calories. Greek yogurt can also be great if you want to have a higher protein smoothie for a post-exercise snack. When choosing these add-ins, stick to just 1 or 2 to make sure the calories don't add up too quickly. Let's take a closer look at some of my favorite recipes. Our first smoothie on the list, our tropical green smoothie, is one of my favorites because it is very low in calories, only 150 total calories. We've got a frozen banana, a couple of chunks of frozen pineapple, and a heaping cup of green spinach. You'll get lots of iron, vitamin K, and great vitamins from that spinach. Top it off with just a cup of water and you'll enjoy a delicious, sweet, and healthy smoothie. Next up is our peanut butter and jelly smoothie. Again, we start off with a frozen banana, any berries or frozen berries that you enjoy. Here we've got blueberries. We're also going to want 2 tablespoons of peanut butter or that peanut powder and a half a cup of milk. Now this smoothie is going to be a little bit higher in calories, but it's going to give you 10 grams of protein. So this is great for breakfast or any type of quick meal on the go. Check out this snickerdoodle cookie smoothie recipe. 1 frozen banana, a 1/4 cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, and a cup of milk with a sprinkle of cinnamon. This smoothie is fantastic for a post-workout smoothie as it is packed full of electrolytes and protein. It is higher in calories, close to 500, but will provide 20 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. Check out this strawberry banana yogurt recipe. 1 frozen banana, a cup of berries, fresh, 6 ounces of Greek non-fat plain yogurt, and a half cup of milk or milk alternative. This smoothie will come in at 300 calories, 50 grams of carbohydrates, and 24 grams of protein. So this is low calorie, high protein, great for breakfast or a snack on the go, loaded with calcium. Thanks again for tuning in this month. If you have more questions about smoothie recipes and how to adjust them to best fit your specific health goals, please set up an appointment with me. Bye for now.